Hello and welcome to another video of the De-hovelizer. I'm at our condo in Jacksonvillle Beach, Florida. I've explained before that this condo was one that we purchased almost 2 years ago after we fell in love with Jax Beach, me and my wife. And I'm here this week to do the last thing this condo needed, and that was to retile the kitchen floor. We came down and when we first purchased it, we ripped out all the carpet. We did all this stuff. We painted. We did a lot of stuff when we first came down. Redid the whole kitchen, and the only thing we didn't do in the kitchen was replace the tile. So I'm going to show you guys what the current tile looks like. May even have some pictures of the old kitchen. I didn't get any video of that, but may even have some pictures of the old kitchen, and I'll show you guys the process of retiling the kitchen floor. It's a very small space, so it shouldn't be that long. And that's it. All right, here's the floor, current floor. As you can see, it's pretty old. I promise you it's clean, but that's about as clean as you can make this thing look. So some of our Airbnb guests would complain about the floor being dirty sometime when it actually wasn't. This is about as clean as it can get. So it's the only flaw that we had, left over from before we remodeled the kitchen. So you can see the rest of it looks pretty good. It's a small kitchen for, it's just a condo, so don't expect anything large, but you can see everything. We got painted cabinets, we got new stove, black fridge, new backsplash, new hardware on the cabinets along with the paint, new sink, new faucet, coffee makers, toasters, appliances, all new. That's pretty much it. Pretty basic, small condo, beach condo kitchen. So this is the floor we'll be replacing. I'm gonna have to move all this furniture out or appliances out before I start, and the hardest part will be ripping this floor up. So I'm not sure how easy it's going to come up, but we're about to find out. Alright, so got all the old tile up that I'm going to get up. I left the tile under the stove. You're not going to be able to see that. I left the tile under the dishwasher. You're not going to be able to see that. Also behind the refrigerator. I'm also going to lay it just past the, just underneath the cabinets. I did get it out a little bit under the cabinets because the tile is actually under the cabinets, and the cabinets were put on top of the tile, so that's why I left those edges like that. So I'm just going to bring the bottom of the cabinets out, the kick plate. I'm going to pull the kick plate out toward the edge of that tile, and you won't even be able to tell after that. But yep, that's all the tile ripped out.
show it to you the second. It came out pretty nice. Big improvement from the last floor. I'm also going to do a walk around of the condo because I've never did a video walk around the condo. I've always just sent people the link and let them look at it on Airbnb and Vrbo. So I'm going to do a quick video of the floor, and then I'm going to do a walk around the condo. Just walk around and let you guys see the feel of it. Okay, so here's the completed flooring. It polished ceramic. Polished ceramic is sometimes can be a little slick, but that's only for the bathrooms. I think it's pretty safe for the kitchen. We're going to put a floor mat down in front of the kitchen sink to keep any spills from making the floor slick. But that is it. The kitchen is finally complete at our condo in Jacksonvillle Beach. And on to the next project.